Welcome to Car Hub, where we dive into the world of automotive excellence. Today, we're putting the spotlight on the iconic Porsche 918, a hypercar that blurs the line between road and track. Buckle up as we explore the heart-pounding performance, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design of this masterpiece. Unleashing the beast, the Porsche 918, is not just a car, it's an engineering marvel. Under the hood lies a 4.6-liter V8 engine paired with two electric motors, one on each axle. Together, they produce a mind-boggling 887 horsepower. Yes, you read that right. This hybrid hypercar can sprint from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.5 seconds. Hold on tight. Electric elegance, the 918, isn't just about raw power, it's also a plug-in hybrid. The electric motors provide instant torque, making city driving a breeze. But when you unleash the full power, the symphony of combustion and electric motors harmonizes into a crescendo of speed. Aerodynamics and artistry, every curve of the 918 serves a purpose. The active aerodynamics adjust seamlessly like a ballet dancer to optimize downforce or reduce drag. The sleek lines, the sculpted rear spoiler, and the low slung stance make it a rolling work of art. The Nürburgring dance, the Porsche 918 set a blistering lap time of 6 minutes and 57 seconds at the Nürburgring Nordschleife. It danced through corners, hugged the asphalt, and left jaws dropped. It's not just a lap time, it's a statement of supremacy. Interior opulence slide into the cockpit, and you're greeted by a blend of carbon fiber, Alcantara, and leather. The minimalist design focuses on the essentials: a multifunction steering wheel, digital displays, and the unmistakable Porsche DNA. Limited rarity, only 918 units were ever produced, making it a collector's dream. Owning a Porsche 918 is like having a piece of automotive history, a ticket to an exclusive club. The Porsche 918 is more than a car, it's a symphony of power, precision, and passion. Whether you're cruising the streets or attacking a racetrack, this hypercar delivers an unforgettable experience. So subscribe to Car Hub, hit that like button, and let's celebrate the legend that is the Porsche 918.